In this lesson, you will learn how to use badges in Schoology. What are badges? How are badges used? The student view of badges awarded, how to find badges in public resources that are already created, as well as how to create your own badges. So let's get started. So what are badges? Right now, you might be able to see badges around your school, where they might be stickers shown outside the door because you participated in a professional development, or you did a Google certification and you got a badge to show that you completed the course and are now Google certified. Lots of different ways you can use badges. What we're doing in Schoology is we are using digital badges. You may also hear them called micro-credentials. So they're just images that represent an accomplishment or skill achieved by the student. In this case, they could be displayed on the student profile. Teachers can also get these badges. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. This is an example of a student view of badges awarded. We'll go to the student demo account and click on your profile so that way you can see their profile page, and on the right hand side your badges are listed. You just click see all. You can see all the badges that have been awarded. You can see a description as to why they earned those awards, including the class that awarded it to them, as well as the date. So a lot of information you can find here, and it's just another way for you as a teacher to celebrate the good things going on in the class. Now let's show you where you can find these resources already created. In this Sandbox course, I am going to demonstrate where you can find badges that are already created in the public resources. So when you're in your account, you go up to the top and click on Resources. And from there, over on the left-hand side, you can see Public. When you're in the public resources, there's tons of things that are shared here. You can see popular badges on the right-hand side, or you can click on the file format and go down to badges, select that and filter. So that way you can scroll through all the badges that other people have created, and you can easily add them to your courses or your resources. So for example, great job. Here is one that was already created. You click on the plus right here to the right, and it'll show that it's added. You can add it directly to a course. It has the drop down for downloads. If you don't want to organize your resources in downloads, I can click on that and choose another location. In this course, there's already a collection for badges, so I'm going to choose that and click Move. Once that's done, you can go ahead and search for more. If you're looking for a certain type, you can use the search bar, or just go back to the file format and go to badges. So you go back to resources. This is a badges collection, and here is the one that was just added to the course. Great job. Now that that's saved in resources, I can click on the gear and I can add to course, and all the courses that are available will pop up. I choose the one that I was using as an example, click Add. Now, when you go back to your courses, you can see by going to the left where it says Badges, all the badges that you have added to your group. The other place you can add them is just above the badge list. You can create a new badge, import from resources, or just choose Schoology badges. I just added from resources. I can start there. Badges, and choose one that was already added. Or I can click on that again and click Schoology badges. These are badges that are already created by Schoology that make it really easy for you to start with badges. Choose the one you want, click Add, and it will show up in your badge list. From here, all I have to do is click on the little drop-down arrow. I can award all, revoke, or I can delete it if I don't think I'm going to use that badge. Award all. Or I could just click on individual students and choose the badges I want to award them. If you want to get really creative, you can create your new badges yourself. The only thing I would recommend doing before you start creating is downloading some icons, maybe from the Noun project or other resources that you may have purchased, and have them on your computer already. So when you create a badge, you'll have images to choose from. Here's an example of one. As I create them, I will also add a message, and this message just tells the student more details about why they're getting this badge. Then from there, I can click Attach File. I can choose an icon, whatever I happen to have. Once it's selected, you'll see what it looks like. And from there, you can choose the outline if you want to change it. I'll keep it as a circle in this case. And you can choose the color. Then submit. Now, you can see the badge that you created, and when you hover over it, you can see what your description is as well. So it's that easy. If you want to get really creative, just check out the resources after this lesson to see other places where you can create your own badges, like in Canva or Google Drawings. There's lots of places you can create your own icons and images for badges. So have fun with this, enjoy it, add some engagement to your course by using badges.